Now here section 2, this is on section 2. First question is given that if alpha, beta and 1 are the roots, this is 1 here, are the roots of this given equation, then find the alpha and beta he asking us to find. Here solution, so what he is given, x cube and minus 2x square minus 5x and plus 6 is equal to 0 is given. So alpha and beta and 1 are the roots he is saying. Okay, 1 are the roots. So here he is saying 1 is the root of this one. So means x minus 1 is the root of given equation. So I will submit value 1 in the this given equation. So I will x is equal to 1 I will put in the equation. So it will become 1 whole cube minus 2 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now here it will become what will come here, this is 1 minus this is 2 minus here 5 plus 6 is equal to 0. It will become this is minus 1 minus 6 plus 6 0 0 is equal to 0. So it is x minus 1 is a factor of or root of given equation. So x is equal to 1. So we have to do one thing here. So I will take this constant values 1 and minus 2 and minus 5 and 6 I will take. Okay, so we will find quadratic equation like. So I will tell. So here 1 is the factor, no, so it will become 0, sorry 1 here. So 1 1 ja 1, so 1 1 ja 1, here 1 will come. So here minus 1 will come. So minus 1 ja minus 1, so minus 1 and minus 5 is equal to minus 6, minus 6 1 ja minus 6 is equal to 0 here. So given what we have got, this 1 and minus 3 and minus 6 we got, it will become x square minus 3x. So this will become minus 1 only, no, sorry, minus x, sorry, here minus 6 is equal to 0 here. So what we have got equation, x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0 now. So from this we'll factorize this one. So it will become x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. So you will common x from this one, x minus 3 here plus 2 I will common, x minus 3 will come, is equal to 0. So factors are x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 3 here, okay, plus 3. Now alpha is equal to, with think the 3 and beta is equal to minus 1 minus 2 and being gamma is equal to so 1 here. So these are the all the roots of given equation. Now moving to the next question, second one. Now here second question is if alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of this given equation. So equation is what given, x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So from this alpha, beta, gamma are the roots he is saying. So first s1 is equal to, we will find here alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, no. So here minus 2 divided by 1 is equal to plus 2 will come. So s2 is equal to alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to, so how much, c by a, no. So c is equal to how much, 3 by 1 is equal to 3 will come here. Now s3 is equal to alpha beta gamma. So this is d by minus d by a. So is equal to, d is equal to how much here, minus 4, minus of minus 4 divided by 1 is equal to plus 4 will come here, this will come. Now here solution of first question, here the first question is given that, so here sigma alpha square beta square will come, here it will become alpha square beta square plus beta square gamma square plus gamma square alpha square will come here, this one. So if this is summation, we think that summation or sigma, summation will think that here summation of alpha square beta square, so it will become this total. Now here we can write like this, so alpha beta whole square we can write plus beta gamma whole square we can write plus gamma alpha whole square we can write here. This is a square plus b square plus c square, like this. So some formula is there, like a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, we know already this one, okay na. So from this, like this is here, this one is there here, so a square b square and c square. So now this 2abc will bring this side, so it will become, what will become, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha whole square, okay, whole square minus 2 into, so this alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha will come here. here one thing, so 2AB, so 2BC, so 2CA, or like this. A means here alpha beta and beta gamma, so this will beta gamma will come here, so A into B, no, so after beta gamma into BC, C is equal to, so into this one here, gamma alpha will come here, gamma alpha into alpha beta will come here, alpha beta will come. So we can write it as alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha whole square minus 2 into, so we will common alpha beta gamma from everything, so it will become alpha plus beta plus gamma will come here. So from this, okay, so if we multiply this window, after multiplying this alpha beta beta gamma like this, na, so these all things. So from this alpha beta 2 into alpha beta will common, so will remain this one here. So here alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma whole square is equal to, so this total is equal to how much? 3 here, so 3 square minus 2 into alpha beta gamma is equal to how much given? 4. What we have got? 4 here, and alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 2 we got here. Now is equal to, so 3 square is equal to 9, so 2 4 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, minus 16 is equal to 0, sorry, is equal to minus 7 is the answer here. Okay, minus 7 is the answer of this first question. Now moving to the next question. Now here second question is solution here. So summation of alpha beta into alpha plus beta is given here. So we will take this alpha beta, summation will remove, so it will become alpha beta, alpha plus beta plus beta gamma plus beta plus gamma into, so plus here gamma alpha into gamma plus alpha will come. So if we multiply these things, now it will become alpha square beta plus alpha beta square plus beta square gamma plus beta gamma square, and plus here this gamma square alpha plus gamma alpha square will come here. So here I will do one thing, I will common from alpha first one here. So if I comma alpha beta will come, so from here alpha will come into alpha gamma will come, and plus beta gamma we have to get here. So I will do here, I will add I will minus alpha beta gamma here. Okay, so from this I will take alpha common, though beta gamma will come here, and plus here another thing, beta I will common from these three terms. So beta will come to from this one, alpha beta will remain, plus and beta common to beta gamma will remain. So here another beta common to, so nothing there, square, no. So I will add minus alpha beta gamma again. So in this beta I will common here, it will become plus beta gamma will come here, and plus gamma will come in here, alpha beta will come, beta gamma, so gamma alpha will come here again. So, okay na, in this I will add another alpha beta gamma here. So this three combined it will become minus 3 alpha beta gamma we can add here. So this is here alpha into, so alpha I will this I will 3 are same here. If I common this, so it will become alpha plus beta plus gamma into, so alpha beta plus beta gamma plus beta gamma plus here, so here gamma alpha will come here. Okay, so gamma alpha is equal to 0 minus 3 into alpha beta gamma will come here. So here already we know x plus this alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to how much we got here, alpha plus beta is equal to, we got 2 here, 2 value I will submit in this 2. So this alpha beta gamma alpha is equal to what we have got here, so this 3 here. Okay, so 3 I will submit in this one, minus 3 into this alpha beta gamma is equal to how much we got here. So from this second question, like this one here 4 we got, so I will submit 4 in that one, so it will become 3 4 ja 12, so 2 3 ja 6 minus 12 is equal to minus 6 is the answer here, where the question is alpha beta into alpha plus beta is equal to minus 6 is the answer here. So now moving to the next question. Okay, second, that is third one here. Now here third question is given that if alpha beta and gamma are the roots of this given equation, so then find the values of this. First question is given, second question, third question, and fourth questions. 4 questions are given here. We will find those question solutions here. Now first question is here, given that equation is x square plus x cube plus px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0 here. So from this s1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, we can write it as minus b by a na, so minus p will come here. What will come? Minus p. Now S2 is equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to how much? C by a, no, C is equal to q by a is equal to 1 only. So S3 is equal to alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. So minus d is equal to r, minus d by a means minus r will come here. Now given question is solution here. So given question is alpha sigma, sir, summation of 1 by alpha square, so beta square is equal to, we can write it as, it will become alpha square beta square plus 1 by beta square gamma square plus 1 by gamma square alpha square will come here. So from this LCM is alpha square beta square gamma square will come. So here alpha square beta square is there na, so gamma square will come here plus, so here beta square gamma square means alpha square will come. So here gamma square plus half square beta square will come. So it will become alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square divided by, we can write it as alpha beta gamma whole square we can write. Okay na. So this formula I wrote in the first question only. So here where I write here, so this is the formula. So where we have to a square plus b square plus c square is we got in this one. So this question here, a square b square plus c square. So I will take the formula, that one it will become what will come here, alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha will come. So divided by, so what is there here, alpha beta gamma whole square there. So this one is equal to this total. Okay, now here alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to how much? Minus p. So minus p whole square minus of 2 into alpha beta gamma is equal to minus only q here, and divided by alpha beta gamma is equal to minus r whole square. It will become p square minus 2q divided by r square will come. So here this is answer. Okay, now moving to the next question, second one. In this second one, this is the first one and second one we are going to find. Now second question is solution here. Second question is given that this one, so total beta square plus gamma divided by, so same beta gamma here given like this. So beta gamma alpha, so alpha beta is given. So LCM is become alpha beta gamma will come here. Okay na. So after that what we have to do here, so we have to LCM, we got alpha beta gamma now. So in this alpha is not there, alpha into beta square plus gamma square will come here plus in this beta is not there, beta into gamma square plus alpha square plus here gamma into alpha square plus beta square will come here. So this is will come here, and now here I will multiply with this one. So here alpha beta square plus alpha gamma square plus beta gamma square plus beta alpha square plus gamma alpha square plus gamma beta square divided by alpha beta and gamma here. So please one thing here, remind this one, I am remaining this one. So it is a like what we can say here, this type, no not this type, so this type maybe here, not there. So this total like this, it will become, I wrote in this section only. So here will come like this, this total like this. Okay na. So second question I did this na. So same like this, that one. So I will take this formula like this one. Okay, I will take there in the this third in this question I will take that one. So this total is equal to, I will take alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha minus 3 alpha beta gamma. So in that place divided by alpha beta gamma. So I explained this total how it will come in the this question only here, where here I will explain it. So please go through there. Please listen this second question again, you will understand this one. And now here alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus p, already we know, and alpha beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to, already we know that q, and minus 3 into alpha beta gamma is equal to minus r, we know this one, divided by alpha into beta into gamma is equal to r minus r. So it will become minus p cube, this one plus 3r divided by minus r. So I will common minus this one, so it will become p cube minus 3r divided by r will come. So because divide r minus r will get cancel this one. So it will become, this question is equal to, will got solution as p cube minus 3r divided by r here. So now this is the answer of this second one. Now moving to the third one. Now third question is given that solution here. So he given that beta plus gamma minus 3 alpha. So gamma plus alpha minus 3 beta into, so alpha plus beta minus 3 gamma is given. So from here we got the question from this one. Which one here? First one. So like this one. So where is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, no, this is not this one. So here, so here, so it will become S1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what we have got here, minus p, no. So from this minus p, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus p. From this, so beta plus gamma is equal to minus p minus alpha will come here. So in this equation we are going to submit minus p minus alpha minus 3 alpha into here beta minus alpha is beta minus alpha. So beta minus alpha is equal to this beta minus alpha is equal to, so this will goes here minus p minus beta minus 3 beta will come. Now here alpha plus beta is equal to minus p minus gamma minus 3 gamma is equal, here this will come here. So this equal to, now here equal to, so this minus p minus 4 alpha into minus p minus 4 beta into minus p minus 4 gamma will come here. So I will take minus common this one too, it will become p plus 4 alpha into p plus 4 beta into p plus 4 gamma will come here. So this is we multiply these two terms here, minus into, so p square will come, so this into this p square, p into 4p, for 4p beta will come. So here for this one I will do this one, 4p alpha plus and 4 4 just 16 alpha beta will come here. Now this we got one thing, and another way there, here p minus 4 gamma is there. So we multiply this also with this one total, okay. It will become minus of p square into p cube and 4p beta into p. So it will become what will come here, otherwise we'll do one thing, I will do this p square into this minus minus is there na, so it will become, so will common minus only, it will become plus, okay, all minus will be common from this na, so it will become plus p square into 4 gamma, so 4 p square gamma and plus this 4 pb into p, 4p beta into 4p square beta and 4 4 ja 16, this 4 into this 4 4 ja 16 will common p beta gamma, so plus this one to this one, so 4 p square alpha plus 4 4 ja 16 p alpha gamma will come plus, and this one will the multiply with this one here, so 16 alpha p alpha beta come plus 16 4 ja 64, so this into this 16 4 ja 64 alpha beta gamma will come here. Now here I will multiply with the minus to all terms, it will become minus p cube and minus I will write directly here minus 4p square I will common, so it will become 4p square common, so it will become alpha plus beta plus gamma will come here. So this gamma here, here alpha will come, so here another way is a beta here, so 3 come, and after that minus 16 I will common, so 16p, it will become alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha will come here. So here minus 64 into alpha beta gamma will remain here. So in this I will submit the values, it will become minus p cube minus 4p square into alpha beta minus p, so minus p will come here minus 16p into, so this total is equal to how much we got here in this one, q here, alpha beta gamma is equal to q here, and here minus 64 into, so what we have got minus r, alpha beta is equal to minus r, so this will come. So I will write answer here, it will become minus p cube and minus into minus plus 4p cube and here 16pq minus 16pq minus 64r, so minus into minus plus 64r will is equal to, so like this answer will come here. So total this answer is equal to, okay na. So now moving to the next question. Here fourth question is given that summation of x cube into beta cube. So here we are going to use two formulas, that is a plus b plus c whole square is equal to what we can say a square plus b square plus c square minus or plus, okay, here. So here 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca will come, 2ac or so here another formula a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab is equal to 3abc is equal to, so what we can write here, a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab, and here we can write it as minus bc and minus ca. So this one, so this formula or these two formulas are we are going to use in this formula in this problem, so it will get answer here. Now first we'll take solution here. So given question is alpha cube and beta cube is equal to, so alpha cube beta cube plus beta cube gamma cube plus gamma cube alpha cube will come. So this is question here, what we have to find this, here the we have to concise this one. Now first we will take alpha, this a cube plus b cube plus c cube is there. First I will find a alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha whole square I will find, because here we need to find a square plus b square now, so in this also here, so that's why I will take this one first, okay. After that it will become alpha beta square plus beta gamma square plus gamma alpha square plus this is 2ab, all 2 I will common from the all given terms, this one formula, so it will become will come here ab, so ab means this a and b, so multiply, if we multiply, so it will become alpha beta square all gamma will come, so I will common alpha beta gamma from these two terms, so it will become alpha plus beta plus gamma will come here, okay na. So here I will do one example like 2 into ab na, so is equal to 2 means 2 into ab is equal to a is equal to alpha beta into beta gamma, no, so it will become alpha beta square gamma will come, so like this is also will come like in the other form, like so 2 something beta c no, so b c no, so it will become gamma square come beta gamma square alpha come, so in this also some different kind of 2 beta gamma alpha square will come like this, so it will come like this alpha beta every in this one alpha beta common there, so we'll take alpha beta common outside, so is equal to we got this one. So from this we can write it as alpha square and beta square plus gamma square, so this we value we know already, so alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha is equal to what we have know that this is alpha beta is alpha beta plus beta gamma, so plus gamma alpha is equal to q we know already, so alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what we know that minus p, something like minus p only, so alpha beta gamma is equal to what we have got minus r, so we'll submit this values in this one, so here this will become q square is equal to this total is equal to we like that only alpha beta alpha, this is a square means alpha square beta square gamma square alpha square, so it will become alpha square beta square gamma square plus gamma square alpha square, so plus 2 into this alpha beta gamma r is equal to minus 2r minus r, this is equal to and minus p, it will become q square is equal to this total will write remain like that only, so it will become plus 2 minus 2 sorry minus into minus plus 2 p r will come here, so alpha square beta square plus beta square gamma square plus gamma square alpha square is equal to, so q square minus 2 p r will come here, q square minus 2 p r will come, so this is here one thing we have to find of this one, so this one we got here. Now here I will take this a cube plus b cube plus c cube, this one I will take here, so means alpha cube plus beta cube and here plus beta cube alpha gamma cube plus alpha cube minus here 3 abc na, so minus 3 into abc means here alpha square beta square gamma square will come here, okay. So here alpha beta gamma alpha will multiply, so it will become alpha square beta square gamma square will come here, this one is equal to here a plus b plus c na, so alpha beta, so beta gamma plus gamma alpha will come here into, so this one alpha square beta square plus beta square gamma square plus gamma square alpha square minus of AB plus BC plus CA na. So this value I will write afterwards, after this getting the formula. So here minus 3 into this alpha square beta square gamma square is equal to minus r square, this one minus r whole square. So this total will remain here. Okay, now here is equal to alpha beta beta gamma alpha is equal to how much? Q. So Q will I will write that only. So it will become Q into, so this total value what we have got, so here this one, so alpha square beta square plus beta square gamma square alpha square is equal to this one, so Q square minus 2PR. So into this AB BC CA na, so this A into B into C into C into A. So it will become all will become come like this, minus alpha beta gamma into, here will come alpha plus beta plus gamma will come. So how means it will become A into B means alpha into beta, no, so into beta into B, here B into AB is equal to like A into B, so beta gamma will come, so it will become alpha beta square gamma will come, same like here we did na, so here like this. So what we have got something like here will do, so it will become A square B square in this formula, like all 2 alpha beta into, so this will come here also again. So I did this, I took this here. Now here Q into, so Q square minus 2PR, so it will become alpha beta gamma is equal to minus R, so into alpha beta minus P, so it will become RP. So here I am writing here, it will become Q into Q square minus 2PR, okay, minus RP will come here, RP, R into P, RP. So this will come here. Now I will do here, so it will become, I will multiply with the Q here, so Q into Q cube minus 2PQR minus PQR will come. So this Q into this multiplication PQR, so this into this into this. So now here which one is equal to, so this total is equal to, I will write in the another page. So this total value will come in the last slide here, this one, so this one from this here, this is equal to this one. Now here this 3 r square I will take this side, means alpha cube plus beta cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube plus alpha cube is equal to Q cube minus, so this will become minus 2PQR plus 2PQR is equal to 3PQR will come. So this will come, it is equal to 3R square will come. So this is the answer what we have to find here. So this is PQR. Okay students, this section 2 completed here. I will do section 2 as soon as possible. So thank you guys, please do share and subscribe to my channel and share to your friends also, very benefit for them too also. So thank you guys.